Right, there we are, guys. This is another one. So this will be cutting and out, cutting and out. So you can see the height of the grass, very tall. See? So this is another cut and out, cut and out. So this is the front and the sides there. So this is to the back. Very big garden. So there you go. So around there and around here as well. So this is a proper cut and out, and we're done. So this is the before. We will show you the after once it's done. There you go. Seems to be a good day for mowing. As you can hear around me, there is quite a little bit of noise from mowers. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So stay tuned, enjoy this one, and feel free to comment. Let me know what you think, what we need to improve. Any ideas are always welcome.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
You